Okay, now I'm going to remove those connections, and there are positive, negative, and all this here, ground, positive, negative. So here I'm gonna mark them just in case I mess up here. Alright, this one is a white, so I will just mark white here, and negative mark is here, positive mark is here. I will not have to worry about it. Let me turn on that air cleaner. It will make a little noise. Alright. This one out, this one out, this one out, this one out, okay. And here. Okay, got it. Alright, the charging port replacement is pretty common in all those devices, so I'm not gonna take up time to remove the charging port and replace the charging port. And if you do want to see it, I can show you in the next video. Thank you very much, and enjoy. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. You have a wonderful day.